Tiri kukontinya nebepa redu June 1999 paper 1 O level mathematics. Tava pa question number 23. Question number 23 question statistics. Iri kuti a survey is carried out to find the number of minutes each member of a class takes to finish a multiple choice test. The diagram below is an incomplete histogram used to illustrate the results of the survey. Saka ku y-axis, the vertical axis, tine frequency. Then ku x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, we have time in minutes. Another way to represent the same information is shown below. So we have a table, we have time, we have frequency. A iri kuti find the value of x. So before we go any further, chandoda tanga kuita, which is a side note, this is not part of our question, but I think it's a very important statistical fact. The difference between a histogram and a bar graph. Saka histogram ndiyo yatinayo, mabhazi acho anenge akabatana like this. Mabhazi acho anenge akabatana. Yet kubar graph mabhazi acho anenge ari separate like this. This is just important to know. Ngatidzokere question kwedu, we need to find the value of x. Kuti tiwane the value of x, tinofanirwa kustudy the graph we are given there. Then we relate graph iri to this table. Saka pa table pedu we have time in minutes. We also have frequency. Sangati patakapiwa both time and frequency. Tikatarisa pa this, tikuona kuti time yedu it's greater than 20 minutes, less than or equal to 30 minutes. Kureva kuti ndepanapa from 20 to 30. Frequency yanzi it's 10. Tikaverengawo zvimalaini tichibva pa 0 apa, tinotoverenga zvinosvika pa 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The next part of our table, where time is greater than 30 but less than or equal to 40, which is this portion, and tikaverengawo tuma line twedu pa this graph paper, tikuona kuti tunenge turi 60. Kureva iko kuti when we need to find the value of x, this is x. X is the frequency of the time when time is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 20. Kureva kuti from 0 kusvika ku 20. What is going to be x? 1, 2. Kureva kuti pa A, x is equal to 2. As simple as that. Let us go to B. B iri kuti complete the given histogram. Saka kucomplete kwatichaita tichacompletera ipapa. Saka we are also going to use black. Kucomplete kwedu tichatarisa the last part of our table, where time is greater than 40 and less than or equal to 45. Time is greater than 40 but less than or equal to 45. You should take note, put into 45, not 50. Katarisa frequency when time is greater than 40 and less than 45, tikona kuti ndi 9. Kureva kuti we are going to count to my box twedu equal to until we get to 9. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, or just one short of 10. Kureva kuti since apa yanga yari 10, where time is greater than 20 and less than or equal to 30, tinchangodzika ka 1 chete. Kureva kuti ndepanapa tanga pana. Then the 45, saka we are also going to count 1 2 3 4 5. Saka ndipana. Saka tofanga kusheda apa. Then iwe kana uchitozviitira pa this graph paper, unenge une pencil iri natural, kureva kuti unofanga kutosheda zvakatonyanyisa kunaka kudarika zvandiri kuita izvi, but this is the idea. Tikadai so tinenge tatokompleta the histogram. Saka part B tatoianza. Let us go over to C. C iri kuti iyo write down the modal time interval. Saka we need to understand kuti chii chinonzi mod. Chinonzi mod tiri kutarisa whatever is the highest frequency. Ende chinonzi frequency inguva iri kuappear chinhu, kudzokorodza kuri kuita chinhu. Modal time interval. Modal time interval, it is the time interval with the highest frequency. We are talking about the time interval with highest frequency. The time interval with the highest frequency. And takatarisa panapa tikuona kuti evidently time interval ine the highest frequency, frequency yacho inenge iri 16, kureva kuti pasi answer yatichaisa nditi greater than 30 while it's less than or equal to 40. This is going to be our answer. By so doing, tatoanza question E. Kana uine mubvunzo pamawekero ataita, you can ask in the comment section. Kana uine umwe mubvunzo we-ordinary level mathematics, ungava mubvunzo we-Cambridge, ungava mubvunzo we-Zimsec, ungava mubvunzo we-matric, kana uri South African student who happens to understand Shona, unokwanisa zvakare kubvunza mu-comment section. Kana kuti unoenda kuma-details at this YouTube channel, you are going to find my contact details. You can ask directly. Otherwise, kune vese vari kushandisa mavideo aya kuprepare for their ordinary level mathematics papers, Cambridge, Zimsec or whatever paper, I wish you justice. Thank you.